So next is partial derivatives. What is meant by partial derivative? So partial derivative is like the ordinary derivative. In ordinary derivative, we have a function of single variable y is equal to f of x, and we find the derivative of y with respect to it, that is with respect to x, that is dy by dx, or we write f dash of x. Okay, so this is the ordinary derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. And to find the derivatives, we have some rules also. Similarly, we have partial derivative, that is in the case of function of more than one variable. Let z is equal to f of xy, a function of two variables. X and y are the independent variables and z is the dependent variable. And let x0, y0 a point in the domain. Then the partial derivative of f with respect to x, denoted by dou f by dou x or f suffix x. So here we write the derivative with respect to which it is to be find out, that is fx with respect to x at x0, y0. And the definition is fx at x0, y0 is dou f by dou x at x0, y0, and it is defined as limit delta x tends to 0 f of x0 plus delta x y0 minus f of x0, y0 by whole divided by delta x. So by looking into the definition itself, we can feel that a function at x0 plus delta x, and the y coordinate is y0, minus function at x0, y0. So from this we can see that y0, the second coordinate, y coordinate is y0 itself, and it is not changing. Only the change is for x coordinate, x0 plus delta x. Okay, and the with respect to rate with respect to x. So that is the derivative with respect to x. Here the partial derivative of f with respect to x means y will not change. Okay, only x changes. Similarly, the partial derivative of f of xy at x0, y0 is with respect to y is dou f by dou y at x0, y0, or we write f suffix y, fy at x0, y0, and it is equal to limit delta y tends to 0 f of x0 comma y0 plus delta y minus f of x0, y0 divided by delta y. So here also x0 is the coordinate that is not changing, y coordinate is changing, y0 plus delta y minus y0, okay, divided by delta y. So here also x will not change, but y changes. That is the derivative with respect to y. Okay, for example, if f of xy is 2x cube y square plus 2y plus e raised to xy. Okay, so here the functions, the variables are x and y, independent variables. The function of xy is, okay, like this. And what is the derivative with respect to x? Dou f by dou x, or we can write fx. What is fx? What's the derivative of 2x cube y square? So in the partial derivative of f with respect to x, x is the variable, y will not change. Okay, y is treated as constant. Or with respect to x means all variables other than x are kept as constants. So here 2x cube y square. What's the derivative of 2x cube y square? 2 is a constant. Then which is constant? Y square is also a constant. So we keep it there. And what's the derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. The rules are same. Then what's the derivative of 2y? 2 is constant, y is constant with respect to x. So what is the derivative of a constant? It is 0. Then what's the derivative of e raised to xy? E raised to xy derivative is e raised to xy itself. But that into derivative of xy with respect to x. What's the derivative with respect to xy? With respect to x, y is a constant, derivative of x is 1. Okay. So e raised to xy into y. That is, it is like, what's the derivative of e raised to 2x? It is e raised to 2x into 2. 2 is the constant. Similarly, e raised to xy, derivative of e raised to xy is e raised to xy itself, that into y. It is like 2 here. Okay. So it is 6x square y square plus y e raised to xy. Then what's the derivative with respect to y? Dou f by dou y. It is fy. And then what's the derivative of this one with respect to y? Which are constants? 2 constant, x cube constant. Then derivative of y square is 2y. Plus derivative of 2y is with respect to y, it is 2. E raised to xy derivative with respect to y is e raised to xy into, which is constant? X is constant. Okay. So it is 2 into 2, 4 x cube y plus 2 plus x e raised to xy. So this is dou f by dou y. Okay. So this is the partial derivative of f with respect to x and partial derivative with respect to y. Then we have higher order derivatives also. Higher order derivatives. That means second derivative, third derivative, etc. So it is from this example also we can find dou square f by dou x square. What is dou square f by dou x square? It is dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. Or we can write dou by dou x of dou f by dou x is 6x square. We have already find out this. Okay. Y e raised to xy. Then what? Derivative with respect to x means y is a constant. So 6y square into 2x plus here y is a constant. E raised to xy derivative is e raised to xy into with respect to x. So y is a constant. So it is 12xy square plus y square e raised to xy. Then what is dou square f by dou y square? It is dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. That is dou by dou y of 4x cube y plus 2 plus x e raised to xy. What is it? With respect to y, derivative means x is a constant. So 4x cube into derivative of y is 1. Then derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of x e raised to xy is x is constant. E raised to xy into derivative with respect to y. So which is constant? X is constant. So it is 4x cube plus x square e raised to xy. Then but this is dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou y square. Then we have dou square f by dou x dou y or dou square f by dou y dou x. Okay, what is it? Dou square f by dou x dou y is dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. So first of all we have to find dou f by dou y, then with respect to x. Or first of all we have to find dou by dou x, then with respect to y. If the function is continuous, because polynomials are continuous functions, exponential continuous function. So for a continuous function, these two will be equal. Dou square f by dou x dou y will be equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. So dou square f by dou x dou y is denoted as f y x. That is, we have to first of all find the f y. Then we find the derivative with respect to x. And dou square f by dou y dou x is f x y. That is, first of all we find dou fx, then with respect to y. Okay. So fxy and fyx will be same in the case of continuous functions. So what is here? Dou f by dou x is 6x square y square plus y e raised to xy. Okay. 6x square y square plus y e raised to xy. Dou f by dou x. Okay, now we can find dou square f by, so what is dou square f by dou x dou y or dou square f by dou y dou x? Okay, we can find this. It is dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. It is dou by dou y of 6x square y square plus y e raised to xy. Then with respect to y, derivative means x is a constant. So 6x square into derivative of y square is 2y plus y e raised to xy. Here y is the variable, e raised to xy is also a variable. So we can apply product rule. So y into e raised to xy derivative is e raised to xy itself. That into which is constant with respect to y means x constant plus second into derivative of first. So e raised to xy into, what's the derivative of y? It is 1. Okay, so it is 12x square y plus xy e raised to xy plus e raised to xy. Okay, so this is dou square f by dou y dou x. Similarly, we can find dou square f by dou x dou y. It is dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. And dou by dou x of, what is dou f by dou y? Dou f by dou y is 4x cube y plus 2 plus xc raised to xy. Okay. So what's the derivative with respect to x? 4y constant, x cube derivative 3x square, derivative of 2 is 0, xc raised to xy derivative is with respect to x, that means both are variables. Okay, so use product rule, x into e raised to xy into y is the constant, then e raised to xy into 1. So it is 12x square y plus xy e raised to xy plus e raised to xy. So this is the derivative with respect to that is dou square f by dou x dou y. Okay, is it same as dou square f by dou y dou x? 12x square y xy e raised to xy plus e raised to xy. Okay, so both are same. So we can see that fxy is equal to fyx. Okay.